Wondering what Myrtle Beach weather is like in the winter? We go to Myrtle Beach every month of the year, and we've been going for years, so I'm going to share with you what you can expect during the winter months for weather, specifically December, January, and February in Myrtle Beach. This will help you plan your next Myrtle Beach vacation. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here and you enjoy travel videos and travel tips, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Winter is a great time to go to Myrtle Beach. There are way more pros than cons. The main pros are it is far less crowded than the rest of the year. Most of the entertainment is open year-round, and I'm going to be doing a video specifically about what to do when you're at Myrtle Beach in the winter. That will come out next week, so again, be sure you're subscribed so you won't miss that. Typically, there's lower prices for hotels and house rentals. Palm trees are still green and the grass is green. The foliage is beautiful. So if you're coming from a more northern destination, this is going to look a lot more lush and green than you're used to in the winter. The weather is generally mild with some exceptions which I'll talk about. While it can be overcast, most of the time it's sunny with bright blue skies and beautiful. Rainfall and snow is much less likely in the winter months at Myrtle Beach than it is in the northern states. The only cons are there's a chance of really cold weather, which that's true in most parts of the United States, and also the ocean water temperature is too cold to swim, but that by no means stops you from swimming in an indoor pool at your resort or a heated pool. Now for a detailed breakdown for each month in the winter, let's start with December. The average highs at Myrtle Beach in December is 58. The average low is 37. It's typically very, very mild and comfortable. The 58 there to me is warmer than a 58 when I'm at home because there aren't a whole lot of tree coverage. It's mainly palm trees with bright blue open skies, and it really does feel warmer. Despite the average high being 58, you can actually hit weather much warmer than that with highs around 70. We were just there this past Christmas week for several days, and the high each day was right around 70 degrees, and we even saw people wading in the water on the beach. Also in December, there are lots of Christmas-related activities, which again, I'll cover in next week's video about things to do at Myrtle Beach in the winter. In the month of January at Myrtle Beach, the average high is 56, the average low is 37, and this is definitely the coldest month of the year on average in Myrtle Beach. January is also the month that it is most likely to snow, if at all, in Myrtle Beach, but the average snowfall per year in Myrtle Beach is 1 inch, and many years there is no snow at all in Myrtle Beach. However, occasionally they do get snow or winter-like weather. In 2018, we were there for the Grayson winter storm, and it was very cold. The lows were in the 20s and the highs were hovering around 30, and they did have freezing rain, which caused a lot of traffic problems, obviously. And we even personally had a pipe burst in our house there. And that house is over 10 years old and it had never gotten cold enough to freeze that pipe previously. So that shows you how rare this type of weather is, but it can happen. Most of the time, however, it can still be mild and have beautiful days to enjoy with those bright blue skies. In February at Myrtle Beach, the average high is 58, the average low is 38, and so you're getting back to those temperatures similar to December, very mild winter temperatures. This is actually one of my absolute favorite months to go to Myrtle Beach because you can hit really amazing weather, and there are literally the lowest crowds of the year because the holiday season is completely over and spring break season has not started yet. Yet, a lot of the entertainment is still open and the beaches are always beautiful. I'll link to our video that we filmed last February in Myrtle Beach so you can get an even better idea of just how beautiful and spectacular the weather can really be. For more great Myrtle Beach travel videos, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe and the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.